Created by Iqbal Hussain, Associate Professor. How do we use this, these, that and those? Nouns can be either countable or uncountable. The left column shows countable and the right column shows the uncountable. Countable nouns, or count nouns, are those that refer to something that can be counted. They have both singular and plural forms. For example, cat, cats, woman, women, country, countries. In the singular, they can be preceded by a or an. Most nouns come into this category. A smaller number of nouns do not typically refer to things that can be counted, and so they do not regularly have a plural form. These are known as uncountable nouns, or mass nouns. Examples include rain, flower, earth, wine, or wood. Uncountable nouns can't be preceded by a or an. Many abstract nouns are typically uncountable, for example, happiness, truth, darkness, humor. Some uncountable nouns can be used in the plural as well, depending on the meaning or context of the word. It will not be further explained. Now, we will explain how to use this, these, that and those. This is used to describe a singular countable noun, nearby things, or as a pronoun. These is used with plural countable nouns, nearby things, or as pronouns. Every countable noun has a plural form, for example as books, girls, boys, toys, etc. We usually say, a book, 6 books, many books, some books, a few books. A non-countable noun has no plural form. Now, we take examples of different situations. This book is very interesting. These books belong to the public library. This glass is broken. These glasses need to be washed. We bought this car about 3 years ago. These cars will need to be serviced. I would like to buy this machine. These beds are nicely made. Non-countable nouns such as tea, sugar, water, air, rice, anger, fear, money, salary, research, love etc. have no plural form and therefore are used with the word this. For example, this type of anger is totally unjustified. This money belongs to my father. This tea has no sugar in it. This rice is undercooked. You must overcome this unreasonable fear of cockroaches. This deep love you show your dog makes me jealous. This and these can be used to introduce people. Hello John, this is my father and this is my mother. These are my parents. These are my friends, Anwar and Iqbal. Hello, this is Mara speaking. These young men were in school with me. This is my brother Zia. These are my children, Mariam and Harim. We use this and these for people or things near us. For singular thing, use this. For a plural thing, use these. This restaurant is better than that down the road. These shoes are more comfortable than those under the bed. This school is better than that chosen by your parents. Someone or something lying away. That over there is yours. These are old shoes. This is the result of your stupidity. This helps in learning English. This is my last visit to Europe. Thank you.